Okay, so we have some kind of leak, and it's on the left side of the drive. So these pipes go to the rotating unit, and from there we get some oil. We have to get access to see if it's from the connection or is it the hydraulic line. But for that, I think we need to open this one so we can see a bit. What can we get from this side? No, I don't think so. Now let's get still about just couple of degrees on the plus side, so having gloves is helping to keep fingers warm, but makes it difficult for handling all this kind of screws and stuff. I haven't opened this part yet, so interesting to see how I get access through here and how many bolts I will drop to the ground and never to be seen again. Okay, let's see what I'm doing. First, I'm trying to be optimistic that the leak is caused by loose fitting, that I could just tighten, because it's not spraying very much. It looks like it's kind of that kind of leak, but we'll see. Okay, that doesn't give us much access. And even with that removed, maybe behind that I can get something going. Oh, live and learn. From the top I know it's too far away. You cannot see and you cannot do anything. Okay, this one should be loose now. That doesn't help much. Yeah, but I can see the engine inside now. I have to get the lamp here, so it's so bright outside and so dark inside. Okay, I just noticed that actually I can see here from over the track a bit, and there's oil dripping here and from the top hose also, so that's almost the perfect scenario here. So then it probably means that I only just need to tighten those. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Can I get access? This is about 22. Yes. This is totally loose. Do I just? Yes, it's loose. Nice. Let's hope it's just loose because it's loose and not loose because it's stripped. Trying to use my left arm, so it's yeah, it seems to tighten. Nice. How about the other one? It's loosey, totally loose. I didn't get to check these when I was on the greasing and checking. It was almost 1.5 rounds loose. No wonder it was leaking. But this is good because this is an easy fix. And I even didn't get to lose much hydraulic oil because I got it in the snow. You see very fast if there's some leaks. That's a good thing. And based on this experience, I will also check the other side. If I can. Yeah, I can use. Right. And this seems to be tight. Yeah. Excellent. Just getting the cover back and cleaning the hydraulic oil, and then we can have a small test. here's the fuel level indicator. There's a hydraulic line indicator here. We have nicely still. That's tight already. That also. This is loosey, but not anymore. Yeah, what we learned here, so when you get a new excavator, check all the hydraulic line fittings that they are tight. So I did check most of them, but those were really hard to access place, and I was inside in the shop. I didn't really have room on that side, so yeah. Then the side panel back. I guess that the main function of that panel is to just support the structure. Okay, we can put this back. Okay, let's collect all the tools, and then we have left is testing. Oh, actually we have to clean the oil first. How much oil we have here? Enough that we want to keep clean. Now it's collecting here in the pan. Or some, what is this called? Ei haittaa. The reason I'm cleaning this, that so I can see if there's no leaks from somewhere. Okay, let's see. Let's have a test. Okay, I guess that concludes this fixing for the first hydraulic leak on the mini excavator. So it does not really have trouble lifting that kind of logs and moving those, and I think it also will not leak when just the hydraulic lines are tightened. So until something breaks, but it's it's pretty much what I expected. There will be some little gremlins on the new machine, and on better quality machines there are less, and some have more, and even the better quality ones have some Monday editions. So anyhow, I'm happy with this situation. It's now fixed and can use it again. Until next time, keep watching what happens next.